G'day, Sean from Crockers again. Just some ideas for painting little Christmas decorations. You can grab a few things from around the garden, and what we've done, and we'll show you, is a couple of little simple ideas using pine cones and one of the branches off a palm tree. So you can grab some stuff in the garden and give it a little paint, and we'll have a little look.
That's a nice colour.
Copper. So there's a pine cone out of the garden, unpainted. One that's sprayed silver. That one's getting done copper. And that little one there's gold. So there's our pine cones quickly sprayed up. Silver, gold, copper, and so on. There's our spray tin, and we sprayed that branch off the palm tree as well. So we'll arrange them now, see what we come up with.